So Costar sent over their new product called the Mateband. It's a cool neckband which they are claiming to be one of the best under the budget. And they sent me not one, but two of them. So, what should I do with two, I wonder? Yeah, there's gonna be a giveaway. I mean, they didn't ask me to give these away. These are for me, but I don't really need two neckbands with me, so I'll give away both of them. I'm putting this video out in advance earlier than my schedule because the offer on this might end in a few days, so I want you to know about them. I have tried a lot of truly wireless earphones in my time, but I haven't used a lot of neckbands, so this is one of my first ever experience. I have tried some in the past like the Realme Buds Wireless, but they are pretty expensive, closer to 2000 rupees margin, whereas these are much more affordable than that. And they're promising a lot of great features for this price. Like for example, the IPX5 rating and this magnetic Hall effect switch. We'll talk more about that soon. Let's take a look at the blue one. There's also a black edition. Yeah, I had an oopsie while unboxing. Costar has made some designer pamphlet I see. They just describe about who they are and everything. That's cool. As I said, they are still a small company, so they are growing. So yeah, you will see a lot of design changes over time. You get some replacement ear tips and a Type-C cable to charge this thing. And first impressions are good. It's built well, it's lightweight. They've used pretty good quality plastic to make this thing, and it's very flexible. There are basic controls on the right side, like the volume plus and minus, a power on off and pause play button, and there's a bass button as well. And the ear tips have magnets so they can stay together, and they can also pause and play media when they are attached together, so that's cool. Pairing is pretty straightforward. You press and hold this round switch in the middle to turn it on. It starts blinking green and red when it's in pairing mode. Just connect it with any compatible device. The controls work very instantaneously, like immediately as soon as you press volume plus and minus, you will see the controls changing, and pause and play work pretty well too. Double tapping will take you to the next song, triple tapping will rewind that song or take you to the previous one. It feels very lightweight around the neck, like you almost don't even notice that. Maybe it's common for every earphone out there, but I've certainly wore some earphones before that are like slightly heavier because of the thicker band around the neck. I don't like that. But these are fairly light and slim, so you don't even notice them. The buttons are pretty easy to reach here on the right side once you know their alignment, and you can even feel their, shape, like the plus button and the minus button. You can just tell just by feeling them. I mean, that's good. Some earphones have all buttons as round, circular things. I mean, once you get used to it, you will know. But here, there is no guesswork. Plus and minus are clearly identifiable. I listen to some music, as I said, it sounds good, and this bass button actually does do a difference. And even for someone like me who doesn't usually like too much bass, they were quite pleasant. I actually left them on bass mode on all the time. And again, you can use some equalizer on your own like wavelet, and you can improve the sound further. They sound slightly better than many other entry-level earphones. In fact, these sound much better than most headphones in this price range. I'm serious, like there are headphones, for example the Zebronic Zep Thunder, which I don't really like, for the same price. A lot of you are asking which is a better headphone than that for this price. There you go. Same exact price, but much better sound quality. And it has very low latency as well. In fact, surprisingly, this is one of the fastest responding earphones I've used. Like the latency is almost negligible, even when playing games. Yes, there is a minor delay between gunshots, like I can tell, but once you start playing, your brain gets adjusted to it and you don't even notice that. That goes to show that, yeah, there is a delay, but you can get used to it. And it supports full stereo, like I could hear the bullet shells falling to my right side when I'm turning left. So it does support like surround audio. The magnetic pause feature works quite well. It uses these Hall effect switches, which are basically activated by magnets to start and stop something. And in this case, it controls the media. So whichever media is playing on the device, it just stops it when you connect these together instantly almost. And as soon as you separate them, it starts playing again. That feature is present on many other earphones. It's nice to see that present in the budget segment as well. Even during phone calls, when you connect them together, it switches from earphone mode to speaker mode. It doesn't disconnect the call or anything. You can just like switch from your earphones to speaker if you want to do that for some reason. And talking about phone calls, let's talk about the call quality through the microphones.
So if I were to record myself in a regular outdoor environment with fairly noisy conditions, this is what the microphone would sound like over a regular phone call. I'm not doing any editing on this voice, just all the background, everything you hear around me is coming straight from the mic, being recorded on the phone. So this is the quality you can expect.
So yeah, I mean it does its best to capture good sound, but I'm yet to find a wireless earphone that can really impress me with its microphone quality. Again, it's fine for casual indoor phone calls. It might struggle a little bit outdoors when there is too much wind or rain noise or something. It's very lightweight as you expect, it fits snugly in your ears, and thanks to this neckband it doesn't really like weigh down. So there is very little chance that it can slip out of your ears. You can take this outside for walking or even jogging in the gym, and you don't have to worry about light, rain, or getting wet with sweat because these are IPX5 rated, so they should be fine. Honestly, for this budget that's listed on there, I'm quite impressed, especially with the build quality and the latency. I did not expect their latency to be so low even when gaming. Almost every earphone I've seen has that annoying delay that I can't get past because I'm used to that almost instantaneous feeling that you get with wired earphones. I feel like these are the closest thing you can get to a wired earphone while being wireless. Like while watching videos, there is almost no delay. They pause and play instantly, they change volume instantly, they're comfortable to wear. What more do you need? And yep, as I said, I'm giving away both of these, blue and the black version. I think I'll have this giveaway across my YouTube and Discord. So there will be a link in the description for our Discord group. Go and join there if you'd like. And tell me in the comments what features do you look for when you buy an earphone? Like, do you prefer neckbands or truly wireless earphones? In fact, I'll make another video after a few weeks talking about whether you should buy a neckband or a truly wireless earphone. And in case you can't wait for the giveaway and this price is too good to be true and you want to buy it right now, you can do so using the link in the description with my coupon code. You will get an additional 10% off. Again, that's HGBand10 to get 10% off. The steps for the giveaway will be in the description, just check them out. As usual, subscribe, comment, join the Discord, and leave your Discord ID in your YouTube's About section. I'll do a random draw maybe in the YouTube comments itself, but only one winner will be from YouTube. The other one has to have a Discord ID. So just to improve your chances, create a Discord account, join us there, have a chat, maybe you'll like it. We'll draw winners as usual after 1 week, so yeah, good luck for that. And thanks again to Costar for providing these units. These were cool.